So unfortunately, Thursdays with Thorny's canceled this week. Nah, just kidding, guys. It's me, Thorny, with your San Diego Harley's Thursdays with Thorny. We left off checking out some of the staff. Let's continue on. Come on. Quick PSA before we meet some of the staff. Check your tire pressure. It's really important to check our tire pressures. Look into the owner's manual of what your tire pressure is for your specific model. Some people don't really like having to deal with the gas station's air pump and stuff. Forget all that. Swing on over to San Diego Harley. We have our own air station with premium Harley air, and it's a good excuse to say what's up. Is he on a test ride? There he is. So, shit. Sorry. Or I could swap you.
I don't care.
With another one of our platinum certified technicians here, Mr. Eric. This one's really special. I think I've been working with Eric the longest here. We're coming up to 9 years that I've been bugging him. Eric, yes. How long have you been riding and what got you into riding Harleys?
92, 93, roughly. And yeah, first time I rode, I wanted a Harley.
What was the first bike?
My first?
Yeah.
1970 Shovel.
Classic. Oh yeah. You got a little Betty here in front of us. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
It's a 1999 Softail Custom.
And correct me if I'm wrong, is this the last year of the Evos?
Correct.
Damn, brother. What have you done to it so far?
A little bit here and there. A little bit of chrome, a little bit of engine work. That's it.
Heck yeah.
Original paint, low miles.
Dang. And how long have you been with Harley-Davidson?
Since 1997.
Yeah. So that's it for another segment of San Diego Harley's Thursdays with Thorny. Can't wait to see you in the first week of February. Make sure you be safe on the road. We'll see you out there. Take care. Ah, just kidding. It's me, guys. Brad Pitt or...